solar panel install starts today. So I mounted the charge controller, as you can see, right on this post here, right inside the door. I wanted to centrally locate it and put it where I could see it. It is out of the way. It's not in the way. I just used some like sheet metal screws. The reason I put it here is because the cables from the battery that go to the battery, I'm going to have come down, go under this panel, under the carpet, and then go to the back. And the cables from the solar panel, I'm going to drill a hole here somewhere, as small as I can, because on the other side of here is a rubber grommet that serves no purpose. There's a hole that's already there, big enough for the wires to go through. I'm going to put it through there, and then I will have it go up behind this, the door slide, and then up to the roof. So next step will be to do the cable from the battery to the charge controller. But first, again, I have to move this side, this shelving unit. That's not too bad to take out, so I can get at the batteries. I have both wires hooked up. As you can see, the lights are on. These wires I ran down here, they go underneath this, whatever this is. They're tucked underneath this, underneath the carpet, and they come out here, and then they go to the batteries. I got one positive going to the positive of this one, and the negatives going to the negative on the other battery. So now, from what I understand, I have to push this gray button to sync it with what kind of batteries I have, whether it's sealed, gel, whatever. I go by what's in the instructions, so I'll be doing that. Next step will be to connect the wires for the solar panel. I have to wait for warmer weather, as the VHB tape is only supposed to be used in, I think I looked it up, it's 59 degrees and warmer, and then it has to sit for 24 to 48 hours until it's completely strong bond. And as you can see, it's only about 44 degrees. Well, this says 48, but it's only like 44 degrees outside. So anyways, I'll put my back part back together again, and I may have to do this rest of this another day.